right, let's see if this brand new Aston Martin Vantage is as good of a driver's car as they want it and claim it to be. Woo-hoo. It's definitely a hoonigan. 665 horsepower all to the rear wheels, 800 newton meters of torque, and currently no traction control. Let's see if she goes sideways. Second gear into the hairpin, turn it in. Ooh, a little bit of understeer, there she goes. Running out of revs. Gonna see if I can use the torque. All right, third gear. Into the hairpin, turn it in. Power, and it takes a little time. Yeah, not as predictable or intuitive as I expected it to be, or slightly was hoping it to be. Let's see what happens here. There we go. Oh, we can do that next time. All right, coming onto the straight, taking it easy. A little bit of understeer, then on the power, and it comes sideways. Carbon ceramic brakes doing their thing. Third gear going into the turn. You do have a little bit of lag there. I wasn't expecting that. Also there, you come off the throttle, definitely a little bit laggy, but there she goes. Yes. What happens here? Oh, yep. Oh, she works. Let's try this one. Actually balance it quite well on that slip angle. Nicely done. Alright, let's take it easy for a sec. Get a little bit of a gap to the car in front of me. We got all the space we want. I mean, at the end of the day, this is not a road car, or it's not a track car. It's supposed to be a good road car. And the turbo's coming. Oh, she is fun though. She is fun. Let's just take it a little bit easy, just nicely. you don't want to chase lap times in this thing because you're not gonna get the fastest lap time out. You just want to do this all day. You just want to do this all day. Wheel spin for days. Okay, let's take it easy. Cool down a bit. To be honest, I'm impressed that Aston Martin just lets you do this thing. Just let you go. Yeah, we need to cool down these tires slightly. I'm gonna switch this off. Let's take it nice and easy for a sec. I don't know.